Kemppi Master TIG 420 with the MR 300 panel, water cooled with the MXF 67 feed unit, interconnecting cables between 10 to 12 meters in length, all on the trolley. Comes with the water cooled torch, nice workhorse machine. Machine's 10-inch stock. The machine will be serviced and cleaned to order and put out with warranty. Good 4-roll feed system. They have one Kemppi. Can be supplied worldwide. Shipping costs if required. Machines are available to be viewed on the website, along with the other Kemppi and other makes. Thanks for looking.